So I tried my hand at making a, I forget exactly what these are called. Spiral drive? Nah. Um, Corkscrew drive? I think it might be called that. Either way, the idea was that it would be an amphibious kind of rubber band powered creation. And I thought the drive mechanism was a pretty interesting concept. However, it's not well thought out. Well, my design isn't, in anyways. I really shouldn't have tried to gear that down. I should have put a smaller, much smaller drive gear on that. And I probably should have gone with a pulley setup, and some much stronger rubber bands. Um, Either way, I kind of got it working. Not anywhere close to where I wanted it to when I was designing it. I had to take out quite a few pulleys, doubled up the rubber bands down there, and it barely moves in water, and that's the only place it does move. I had intended this to be able to move on carpet, and it just doesn't have the power to do it. And I can wind it up and barely push in. It has a lot less resistance than as if it wasn't wound up, but it doesn't move on its own on carpet. It definitely needs more power. Either way, I'll wind it up and put it in my kitchen sink and show you what it's got. She ain't got much. Yeah, I spent about a whole day printing that. It's awfully embarrassing. Either way, yeah, figured I'd post it for y'all can laugh at me. Anyways, have a great day, YouTube.